So to get this stuff organized, what I'm going to start by doing is everything that's on the floor, I'm going to separate it into pants, jackets, shirts, stuff I'm going to keep, stuff I'm going to throw away. Shoes, that's just going to stay out the way. Those are, I'm going to put some in my other closet. But for right now, I just got to get it organized as to what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to throw away. So you'll just see me organizing stuff for right now. And then I'm going to those because all of this is clean. I washed all of this. But I still want to throw out the stuff that I don't want and keep the stuff that I do want. So let's get into it, boo. Okay, y'all, after hours later, and a whole job outfit, I am on the last bucket. Still giving that stuff away. I'm going to give this stuff away too. The rest I'm going to keep. It is worth money. Like stuff like these crop tops, I'm throwing away. I'm going to give away house shoes too. This outfit, I can barely fit it. It was so cute. It was from my sister's first collection. I'm going to give it away. Like, I'm just going to donate it. God blessed me, so I'm going to bless others. These pants, I'm going to wear these. Like, gym-wise. So, y'all, just watch me finish throwing these clothes out because we are almost done. And once I get done with this tub, I'm going to go ahead and bag up everything that I'm going to throw out, give away, and then keep. I'm throwing back in here and just miscellaneous stuff. It's gonna go in here. Like cap and gown, bathing suits, and stuff that I sleep in. Cause this is gonna go at the bottom or something. And I'm gonna get a new box and put my clothes in it for stuff that I just wanna dig out and get and wear throughout the week.
You won't break my soul. 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 I'm telling everybody, everybody. I'ma let down my head, 'cause I lost my mind. B is back and I'm sleeping real good at night. The queens in the front and the doms in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation. I done found me a new foundation, yeah. Taking my new salvation. And I'ma build my own foundation, yeah. Now, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 And I'm telling everybody, yeah. You don't seek it, you won't see it. That we all know. Ain't break my soul. You don't think it, you won't be it. That love ain't yours. Ain't break my soul.
He wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up.
even know vlog is washing. We're gonna just fold the clothes that I already cleaned and put those in that basket. So this is all my night stuff that was already clean. I just needed to separate it from the stuff that I was gonna keep and stuff that I was gonna donate.
Talk your bitch, nigga, show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like sexy, why you hurt me? Took him down up the Yorkie. When you give me put that dick all up my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this back ride. Little bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, ain't wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Car 10 and 5, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks. Bitch is big, sexy, I'm the chosen one. I drop a bag on your head, I got a lot of fun. And I got them shooters in the cut, they got a lot of guns. Put my little nigga on your ass, he gon' blam some. You know I tore that bitch like a NASCAR. I like how you can't start off the line and make the engine part. Don't put your trust in me, pussy nigga, I'ma break your heart. Young turn bitch, when I pull up, that's when the party starts. In the booty club, standing on the couch, throwing beats. Better respect me, bitch, my people's in the cut with them things. Wifey got me icy, now my chain hit like loud bling. In New York, with my partners, we be jamming, I mean. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, ain't wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have them stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Car 10 and 5, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the
Pinks with pinks, blacks with blacks, whites with whites, orange, and so on. And then I'm gonna do my purses the same. So good morning, girl. It's 8:47 a.m. and y'all, I went to sleep at 3 a.m. Can y'all tell? First and foremost, TT finna get so cute because I got a lot of things ahead of me planned this week, and I just got to do my hair. I got all the donation clothes done. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Now I do have a couple clothes I gotta wash, but that's besides the point. But let's get into it. I got the donations done. I got the stuff like my sleep stuff done. I got these. I got this that I'm finna wash, and then I'm gonna have one more load, which is this little set. I'm finna go through this, and everything that's dark is going in the washer. So let's do it. Okay guys, so it's Friday and I'm finally donating my clothes. Buy little clothes. I hope one of the girls come in and get some great things. Y'all got designer in here, I got polo in here. I got some cute jogging suits in here. Like, God gonna bless me. God has blessed me tremendously, so why not bless people who are in need? So y'all, if y'all ever have donation stuff, just donate it to the girls who need it.
That's fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they growing when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose?